Being a better friend starts with small things that stack up fast. Friendship isn't some giant mystical quest. It's more like remembering to water a plant before it dies dramatically in the corner. So let's talk about 7 simple ways to be a better friend and keep your friendships alive without needing a PhD in emotional intelligence. First thing, listen like you actually care. Most people don't listen, they just wait for their turn to talk. The kind of listening where someone says they're tired and the other person responds with a story about their cat's sleep schedule. Real listening means shutting up for a second and letting the other person finish. It's surprisingly rare. When you listen well, people feel seen, and that alone makes you a better friend. Second thing, show up, not just physically, emotionally too. Anyone can show up to a birthday dinner, but showing up when your friend is stressed, confused, or spiraling over something tiny, that's the good stuff. And you don't need to fix anything. Just be there. Sometimes the best support is simply not disappearing when things get weird. Consistency is underrated. Third thing, celebrate your friends loudly. People love being hyped up. They pretend they don't, but they do. Tell them when they're doing great. Tell them when they look good. Tell them when they're growing. It's, well, free serotonin for everyone. And it builds trust because they know you're paying attention. Plus, it feels good to be someone's personal cheer squad. Fourth thing, apologize like an adult. Not the sorry you feel that way nonsense, a real apology. Something like, I messed up and I get why that hurt you. It's like the emotional equivalent of unclogging a drain. Suddenly everything flows again. And you don't lose dignity by apologizing. You gain it. Friends remember how you handle conflict more than how you handle good times. Fifth thing, respect boundaries. Every friend has different limits. Some need space, some need reassurance, some need you to not call them before noon because they turn into a gremlin. Respecting boundaries shows you care about who they are, not who you want them to be. The foundation of healthy friendships. And it keeps resentment from building up quietly in the background. Sixth thing, be honest but not brutal. Honesty doesn't mean dropping truth bombs like you're in an action movie. It means being real without being mean. If your friend asks for your opinion, give it gently. If they're making a mistake, tell them with kindness. It's so a balance between truth and compassion. And your friends will trust you more because they know you won't sugarcoat or stab them with the same sentence. Seventh thing, put in effort. Friendships don't survive on autopilot. Send the message, make the plan, check in, remember the small details. It's the tiny actions that make people feel valued. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be intentional, and effort is contagious. When you give it, you usually get it back. Friendship isn't complicated. It's just a series of small choices that say, I care about you, listen well, show up, celebrate them, apologize properly, respect boundaries. Be honest with kindness, put in effort. These 7 things can turn you from an okay friend into a great one. It's, well, the kind of stuff that makes relationships last for years. And the best part, you don't need to overhaul your personality, you just need to pay attention. Friendship grows when you water it, even a little. So try one of these things this week. Try 2 if you're feeling ambitious. Your friendships will feel lighter, stronger, and more fun, and you'll feel good too because being a good friend makes you a better human overall. That's the whole secret. Small actions, consistent energy, real care. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. And your friends will notice. They always do.